Welcome to AuditOne Comprehensive Report on RedStone Smart Contract Security Analysis. RedStone builds a novel oracle that delivers price feeds for over 1,100 assets, available on Ethereum, Polygon, Avalanche, Arbitrum, and 30 more chains with 10-second update time. Get price data feeds covering long-tail tokens, Forex, commodities, on-chain identity, and much more in a truly scalable and cross-chain manner. The novel product design ensures resistance to network congestion and enables the delivery of data to projects every few seconds. Moreover, projects can integrate RedStone Oracles once and use it on any L1 or L2 chain they would like to expand to. Thanks to our storageless architecture, data is transferred with meta transactions, which bypasses expensive EVM storage. The company is backed by some of the most renowned Web3 entrepreneurs, such as Stani Kulechov from Aave, Sandeep Nailwal from Polygon, Gluchovski from zkSync, and many more. In August 2022, RedStone raised their $7 million seed round led by Lemniscap, with participation from Coinbase Ventures, Blockchain Capital, Arweave, and others. Our auditors Sandeep Nailwal and DefSec completed the thorough manual analysis of the RedStone smart contract from March to June 2023. The audit results are impressive. Security score, 100%, code quality, 98%, documentation quality, 98%. We are excited to report no high-severity issues were identified. Next, let's take a closer look at the medium and low-severity issues. The minimum interval between updates is short and poses risk of front-running attack. To mitigate this risk, it is necessary to set a higher minimum interval between updates or implement other additional security measures to prevent front-running attacks. Stale prices could be returned. Validate that block timestamp is recent. Something similar to assert min interval between updates passed at redstone adapter base.sol L102 could be helpful. Long delays can cause sandwich attacks. To mitigate the risk of sandwich attacks due to long delays in data package timestamps, consider implementing the following changes. Adjust the max data delay seconds value in the get allowed timestamp diffs in seconds function to a shorter time frame, reducing the allowed delay between the data package timestamp and the current block timestamp. Packed timestamp value could change. Data package's timestamp should be uint 128 instead of uint 256. Inline assembly bug in Solidity 0.813, use equals 0.814 instead of 0.8 before. Potential gas problem in validate and update data fee feeds values. To mitigate the potential impact of high gas costs and out-of-gas scenarios in the validate and update data feeds values function, consider implementing the following changes. Limit the size of input arrays. Add a check to ensure that the length of the data feeds ADs array and values arrays does not exceed a predefined maximum limit. RedStone team has addressed all recommendations and successfully resolved all issues. At AuditOne, we truly enjoyed working on this project. For the full report and more details on our findings, visit our website. Click the links in description for more details. AuditOne, your trusted partner in blockchain security.